na delibono ni Suloi Bunda. Na buni tabi ming watag. Na buni tabi lem. Tabi watag na buni ibunda na manango. Ina gili-gili.
Saweni site. Our program for this then proceeds to the groundbreaking site on my...
The members of the landowning unit of Saweni, Werambitia and Hunda. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulamanak and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be here today as we celebrate a project that marks the beginning of a new era of prosperity and empowerment for the itaukei people as we break ground on the first ever government-funded development of itaukei land. The motivation for this project, along with that so many others that my government is carrying out across our islands, is rooted in my deeply held belief to assist all Fijians without discrimination and recognize the ability and ingenuity of all our citizens. All over Fiji, we have people, men and women, with limitless potential who simply need the means to find success, the means to build better lives for themselves and uplift those around them to do the same. This is the vision we are working to realize for every Fijian. Yesterday, I was giving out microfinance grants to assist Fijians to participate in small business. This morning I was in Ndua, and today we are here to assist itaukei landowners to directly capitalize from their land ownership. Ladies and gentlemen, the itaukei people today operate from a position of strength unrivaled by any other time in our history. The land and rights of the itaukei are protected and enshrined for all time in the Fijian Constitution, the supreme law of the land that governs every action of my government. Of course, even in the midst of such protection and achievements, we've seen time and again the usual suspects in the opposition go through the same tired charade of spreading fear and spinning lies, all in the attempt to deceive the itaukei people to further their own political and personal ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, the facts speak for themselves. And the fact is, not 1 inch of itaukei land has been lost under my government. And today, around 91% of the land in Fiji is owned by the itaukeis. Never have the itaukeis been more secure. Never before have they had more opportunity to improve their lives and the lives of those around them. And never before have young itaukei men and women had a better shot of realizing their dreams and aspirations for the future. Indeed, never before have all itaukei people been treated equally amongst themselves. My government assists all itaukei people equally in providing government services and assistance. We don't make a distinction between chief and commoner. All itaukei people are also entitled to the rights my government has always fought to uphold for all Fijians, including the right to and access to free education, scholarship, tertiary education loan, and access to roads, water, and electricity, subsidized bus fares, free water, and subsidized electricity, to name a few. But even with these unprecedented guarantees, my government wanted to do more. We didn't only want to protect the ownership of itaukei land and the rights of the itaukei. We wanted to do one better by providing a solid foundation for growth that would empower itaukei people, and that is what this project is all about. Itaukei people in Fiji have long faced the issue of being asset-rich but cash-poor. Of course, one of the reasons this has been is because the politicians of the past, and some even today, politicize land ownership. Rather than assisting itaukei people to benefit economically and financially from the land ownership, they sought to only look after themselves. I'm here to tell you that my government thinks differently. We want you to realize benefits from your land. We want you to become more economically and financially powerful. We want you to lease your lands. Lease it for long-term leases and get the right rental paid for it. And we will, as we are doing today, give you the funding to develop your land so you will do precisely that. My government is a practical government. We know that many landowning units don't have the upfront funds to carry out such development as this. I also know that because of the non-availability of such funds, many land-owning units who are vulnerable to interest with far deeper pockets, leasing that same land out to other parties. Through this initiative of my government, that will no longer be the case. We will build the roads to connect your subdivision to water, to electricity, so you can directly sell the leases yourself to make a financial gain. And these subdivision projects, including Saweni with 34 residential lots, Warambitia with 17 residential lots, and Vunda with 8 residential lots, are one of the 4 projects to benefit under this grant, with a total cost of nearly 2 million. This is this project. When you list this land after the development is completed, it will benefit every Fijian. It will benefit you as a developer. It will provide economic opportunities to small and medium-sized business in this area. There will be more construction there, thereby providing more jobs, and it will give confidence to investors to invest more thoroughly, more through security of 99-year leases. This subdivision will create more economic opportunities for Fiji and all the Fijians. I'm very excited to watch these lands develop and serve the people of the respective villages and many more Fijians in the years to come. To the people of Saweni, Warambitia, and Vunda, this is your land today, and it will be your land for all time. Take this opportunity to make the best possible use of what is yours and build something that will support your community for generations. And then I took ako tsukina po sumabi kito na tsukina TLTB, we come in na token ingele bir na ba trust fund. Na kana pa nga tigi po sambalia na ilabo ni trust fund bir na abusa bir na matanggali. May birto na token ni trust fund. Ni be maruroy na nom ni biokani. Kamni na liu taka na trust funds. Alam na sara. Ni be na numibir na nom ni abusa na matanggali. Tagara po kanu ni kamni na kana maruroy na non relabo. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I declare open this commission, this project. Vinabolivo.